guys. Ayan. Back to work na naman. Reporting for duty. As usual, my routine from office to Philippine Embassy. Ayan. Reporting for duty. My goodness. Guys, hala, ang ingay na sasakyan ko. Ano nangyari dito? Paano ba ito mapatahimik? Maingay ka. Ano ba meron sa isalamin? Ito, as usual, reporting for duty, going to Philippine Embassy. Yan, meron inaayos. Okay. Since na ito sa parking kasi pinapainit ko pa yung aking today is what? Tuesday? Yeah. O Wednesday? I don't know. Pero ayan, ito, magre-report tayo sa ano. Tingnan natin yung ating mga work yung sa ano. Yung mga papers ko sa Philippine Embassy. Baka okay na. Hoping for the best. Sana ma-release na. Okay. Hi guys, good morning. Now it's 10 o'clock here in Kuwait. But it's still cold. Still cold, see? It's still cold. So, medyo ipa-warm ko muna itong aking car kasi masyado malamig. Di ba?